Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be making a black eye and ham soup. And if you guys kept your bone from your ham for Christmas, you can also add it to this recipe. I didn't keep mine because I didn't have space for it, but of course it's a vital ingredient if you're making ham bone soup. So let's just jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you how easy it is to make. I'm starting in my pot with a piece of goldenray. You can use regular butter, you can use all avocado oil if you like. To that I'm going in with my aromatics, so onions, pimento peppers and baby bell peppers, finely diced. I'm going to add some salt to that to help soften the aromatics and bring out their flavor. We're going to let it cook until it's tender. Next, go in with minced garlic, a quarter cup of celery, chopped scallions. All of the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Saute just for about a minute because we're going to add in the rest of the ingredients right away. We're going in with our soaked black eyed peas. You can use a different type of bean if you wanted to. Lentils will go really great here, or even dal. Just mix that around a little, and now we're going to go in with our pieces of ham. Now remember, as I said, you guys can add your ham bone to this if you like, or if you have a turkey bone you can do that. And go with some corn, and I'm going to give that a mix and allow it to cook up for about 1 minute. Next, we're going to add in water. You want to add about 8 to 10 cups of water depending on how much soup you want to make or how saucy you would like your soup. And I'm also going to go in with a tablespoon of green seasoning and some chicken bouillon powder. Now it will enhance the flavor of the ham, so trust me, you want to put this in the soup. Give that a mix and bring it up to a bubble. You're going to allow this to cook until the beans are tender. You want to make sure that the beans are very tender. So I'm just going to go in and I'll check. And it's right where I want it to be. If you want it really soft, like falling apart, feel free to cook it until that stage. And then I went in with my provisions, and yes, I forgot to put it in some water, so it's oxidized slightly on me. So after you add in your provisions, you want to add in your macaroni also, because it's going to cook together with the provisions. You guys saw how small I cut up my provisions, and the macaroni is going to need at least 8 minutes to cook. So we're going to cook it until the macaroni is cooked. And you want to cook it al dente because as it sits in that hot soup, it's going to continue to cook and get softer, and you don't want mushy macaroni. So once it's finished, you want to taste and adjust your salt, garnish or finish with some freshly chopped scallions or celery. Mix that in and your soup is now ready to be enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I know I didn't put the ham bone in this soup, but of course, if you saved yours, please put it. Thank you all so much for joining me today. If you make it, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Happy New Year once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.